Jai Ho students, welcome back to SK CBSE's DG Vidya class session. Dear students, in previous class we have discussed the different types of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers as well as irrational numbers. Clear? So, in detail we have to study in this chapter, that is in the first chapter, number system, we have to study what are rational numbers. Yeah, what are irrational numbers? So how many rational numbers we can find between two rational numbers? Yeah, and how many rational numbers we have to represent on the number line? So we have to represent every number, every real number can be expressed on that can be denoted, that can be represented on the number line. Every real number has its unique point on the number line. That all we have to discuss in this chapter. Yeah. So now we have to discuss in detail what are rational numbers. In 8th standard there was a first lesson, that is rational numbers we have discussed. So we have studied that some operations, addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers, division of rational numbers, those all we have studied. And what are the types of rational numbers, those also we have discussed in the class 8th standard. Positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. So now we have to go from first introduction we have to start, that is what are rational numbers. So first we need to write the definition of rational numbers. So what are rational numbers we have to discuss. See here, the numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are any integer. P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. Clear? So Q is not equals to 0. Such type of numbers are called as rational number. Q is not equals to 0 are called rational numbers. Yes. So many examples we can give for rational numbers. Examples: minus 3 by minus 5. Yeah. Both P and Q are integers. That too negative integers, but it is positive rational number. 4 by 7. This is also positive rational number. Minus 13 by 31. This is negative. Either P or Q is negative, then we can say it is negative rational number. 141 divided by minus 144. This is also negative rational number. 1001 divided by 1000. This is also one of the rational number. So many examples we can give for the rational numbers. Clear? The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equals to 0. In previous class we have discussed how to represent the rational numbers on the number line. In previous year, that is on 8th standard, we have studied In 8th class, we have discussed how to represent the rational numbers on the number line, and also we have discussed properties on rational numbers. Clear? So, how many rational numbers we can find between two rational numbers? That is, number of rational numbers, between two rational numbers, two rational numbers. How many rational numbers we can represent? We can find infinitely many rational numbers we can find between any two rational numbers. So how many rational numbers we can find? There are infinitely many rational numbers. There are infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. So we can find infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Any two rational numbers, let them give. So we can find infinitely many rational numbers. So let us see some examples how to find. Let us solve some examples related to number of rational numbers between two rational numbers. So let us see one example. See the example. In this example, what they have given? Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So just I will give a number line. So represents the rational numbers on the number line. So here we can say 0. Exactly at the center, 0. 0 to left, what type of rational numbers? Negative, and 0 to right, positive rational number. So here what is the Q? Q is 3. Here also 3. Same denominator, that is Q. So minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3. Next, 0 to right. 0 can be written as 0 by 3. Next, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, and so on. But they are asking the question that find the rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. There will be no rational numbers. There is no single rational number between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Then how they ask to find the 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So we have, just now I have given a note. What note I have given? There are infinitely many rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Now see how to find the 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 5 by 3. Okay. So first what we have to do, we know that we can find equivalent rational numbers for the given rational number. How to find equivalent rational number? Which is the first rational number? 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3. So here you have to write many rational numbers we can find. Not only 5, infinitely many rational numbers we can find between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Suppose you multiply both numerator numerator and denominator by any number. Any number you can take. 5 you take, 6 you take, 10 you take, 20 you take. Any number you can take. We get, after multiplying both numerator and denominator, we obtain equivalent rational number. So I take 7. 1 7s are 7. With the denominator also we have to multiply with 7. Q also we have to multiply with 7. 3 7s are 21. 7 ones are 7 3. So it means 1 by 3. Another rational number you take 2 by 3. But here denominator must be same, that is 20. With what number you have multiplied? 7. So here also you have to multiply with 7. 2 into 7, 3 into 7. So 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. So how many rational number we get? After 7, 8 by 21, 9 by 21, 10 by 21, 11 by 21, 12 by 31, 21, 13 by 21. So many rational numbers we obtain. Therefore after 7, 8 by 21, 8 by 21. Next 9 by 21, 10 by 21, 11 by 21, 12 by 21, 13 by 21. How many we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we get. Instead of 7, if you multiply 100, we get 99 rational numbers. Instead of 100, if you multiply with 1000, again we get many rational numbers. Yeah. So now we can represent these on the number line. So here we can say 6 by 21, 7 by 21, 8 by 21, 9 by 21, 10 by 21, 11 by 21, 12 by 21, 13 by 21, 14 by 21. So how many rational numbers are there in between? 7 by 21 and 14 by 21. 7 by 21 is nothing but 1 by 3. 14 by 21 is nothing but 2 by 3. So how many rational numbers we get? So these all are the rational numbers where we can find between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So these all are the rational numbers. These all are rational numbers. Rational numbers between 7 by 21 and 14 by 21. 7 by 21 means 1 by 3 and 14 by 21 means 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So I hope you understood these, how to find the rational numbers between the given any two rational numbers. So in the next class we discuss the exercise 1.2.